The temperature setting procedures are the same for bottom mount units, single door refrigerators, single door freezers, and side-by-side units. The temperature controls for the freezer and fresh food compartments are located at the top of the fresh food compartment. When the fresh food door is opened, the temperature display shows the actual temperature of the freezer and fresh food compartments. The actual temperature may vary from the set temperature based on factors such as door openings, food load, defrost cycling, and room temperature. To check the temperature setting for the fresh food or freezer compartment, press the plus or minus pad once. Notice the freezer display changes to the current temperature setting of 0. After 5 seconds, the display will return to the actual temperature. Pressing either pad, the plus pad or the minus pad, one time will display the current set temperature. Once displayed, to change the temperature settings, press the plus or minus pad once for every degree of change desired. To change the temperature display between Fahrenheit and Celsius, press the Display Mode pad once. The minimum and maximum temperature ranges for the fresh food section are 34 degrees and 45 degrees Fahrenheit, respectively. The minimum and maximum temperature ranges for the freezer are -6 degrees and +6 degrees Fahrenheit, respectively. To turn the cooling off, press the plus pad continually until the display reads off. Setting the controls to off stops cooling but does not shut off electrical power to the refrigerator. To turn the cooling on, press the minus pad continually until the display reaches the desired set temperature. As with any temperature setting, allow 24 hours for the refrigerator to achieve the new settings.